Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and I'm going to make several videos on how to, and I'm going to break them up on how to draw this Rubik's Cube. And I started noticing on Rubik's Cubes off the internet, some clip art, that it doesn't really look very good, and I'll explain what I'm talking about. I have made a video before on making a cube like this by using a six-sided polygon. And if you hold down the number lock, must not have been locked, and holding down the control button till you get a perfect polygon, and then take 2-point lines, and this is exactly the way I do it in other videos, and make sure you go from node to node, and then delete, get your virtual segment delete key, and delete the lines you should not be able to see. Now, looking at this, it doesn't look too bad in this format, but I don't know if you can see, it looks like the cube, I mean, they're straight up and down, but we're looking at it from this angle, there's a little trick I've learned on how to make it look a little better, I think. Take a 2-point line and do not go from here. Go from here and go inside a little bit and then go up that corner. Then you can take that line and hit Control D and mirror it, and then grab that line when you get the 4 points and move it up there. Then you could always fill it in, but I'm going to take and delete these lines. And to me, it looks more like a cube. Some people even take this other line, and I've never really found it to be true, to delete these nodes so it'll be straight and then just come straight down. Give it a little bit, and it does look better, I think. It looks more like a cube where this looks offset. It'll look more like a Rubik's Cube in the next video. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.